What is GRC? GRC is an approach to information security and strategy. You have security and strategy that integrates three components. The first one is governance, risk, and compliance. Therefore, GRC. Today, we are going to see governance. What is governance? In information security, governance, GRC, what is governance itself? First of all, for your governance, you need to provide strategic direction. You have a direction. For example, here you say the next 3 years, we are going to focus on data protection. Data protection, for example, this is our goal. We need to protect our data within the 3 years. Now, you have to ensure objectives are achieved. How do you ensure your objectives and goals are achieved within your organization? Well, for example, you say, this year alone, we have to cut down to 50% of phishing. All kind of phishing, we have to cut down to 50%. If we have a lot of activities happening, cut them down. Next, risks are managed appropriately. Let's say, for example, you identify your employees are using a Wi-Fi that is not secured. What do? Of course, you tell them or you advise, you implement the use of VPN. You see, this is how you assess your risks. You see? Next, you need to check if your resources are used accordingly. What do I mean? So, for example, some people will suggest, let's buy a new software. Buy a new software. Does it worth it? Of course not. Why? Because when you check your existing software, maybe perhaps there is unused features. Right? This is how you go. This is governance. You provide strategy, you ensure objectives are met, and you assess the risks. And of course, you verify if resources have been used correctly. I give an example. Protect your data, reduce phishing, and check if the Wi-Fi your employees are using is unsecure. Provide the VPN. And of course, you need to check if you need to buy a new software or not, because the existing software you have may have unused feature. This is governance when we talk about information security in GRC. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.